Hello folks, welcome. So in this tutorial I'll show you some resources that you can take a look at if you want to study more about this. So for example, let's say I have a text view here and I wanted to know what if I wanted to change the color of this text, or if I wanted to increase the size of this text. So how you can do that? To do that, we can go to a Google and just type in, since we are talking about the text view, so we'll say text view Android. So the first of the hits that you get is this one. So just click on developers.android.com, and here is the information, everything that you need to know about the text view. So let's say I wanted to change the color. So if you just type in color here on the Control F and do a search on that, you will see that, okay, if you want to do a shadow color, this is what it's going to do. If you want to change the text color, this is an attribute to do that. So if I just copy this attribute and paste it here, so that if you want to change anything, it has to be a bit before this closing tags for the closing tag for the text view. If you're going to add something after the text view, then it's going to go ahead and result into an error, which you don't want to do it. So whatever the attribute that you want to put it has to be in this particular closing tag. So I'm going to say Android. So just copy paste what you got it. Let's say what is the color that you want to put it. So let's say I wanted to put it a different color. So you can get the color scheme from you can say color hex code. This is the website, colorhex.com. This is the website. Let's say I want to go ahead and get the color like this. So you can go just copy paste the color code and you can paste it here. Automatically the color is going to change. So this is how you can go ahead and look at how it's going to happen. So this is what the color is going to change, and we can see it's a little bit changed. Let me change this one. Put something else. Let's say I wanted to put it this one. So let me just go back and copy this code. So this is the background shade color has been changed. Now this is an attribute. Now if you want to change the color length or anything, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you want to change the size of the text, then this is the place that you can go ahead and change the size. So the size of if you click on this, then it'll tell you more about it, and it'll tell you that, okay, the size of the text has to be defined in something called as SP. So if you go ahead and look at something called as an SP, we're going to talk about what SP is. SP is just similar to the something like we have DPs for images. SP is basically for the text size. What is the size of the text that you want to put it? So let's say I wanted to go ahead and put the style. I wanted to make it bold. So you can go ahead and copy this attribute and paste it here. Let's say I want the style to be bold. So you can go ahead and get it to be. It can be bold, italic, bold, normal. So once you do that, it has changed it. It has become or if you want to do it italic, you can go ahead and see italic. So now it has changed it to italic. So now the size of this is very less. So I wanted to go ahead and change the size. So I want to say Android text size, and I wanted to put it as, let's say, 15 SP. Or let's say I wanted to put it as 25 SP. So now it is a little bit become wider. So these are the places that you can go ahead and look for. Now let's say if you got an error, let's say you forgot and typing something and you missed these. Now you'll see that it'll automatically, whatever is in red, it will show you in the red here. And it'll also show you an error message here that you can go ahead and take a look at it. And it'll show you in the error message on the top the reason for the error message, that, okay, we found, if you click on hover your mouse, it'll say 4 errors are found. And you can go ahead and take it, and these are the issues that you have. So now it'll automatically highlights in red where the error is. So these are the different places that you can go ahead and take a look at it, which will help you in the future to how to resolve those.